Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jimmy Clewes and I'd like to introduce you to my new set screw insert. Should you wish to make your own handle like this, a custom made handle, what you would do is you would buy this here. It's the set screw insert, and basically you turn your own handle to whatever shape, whatever suits you best, the shape, the ergonomics. You then epoxy this into the end of the handle. This then goes onto the tool and you just literally tighten that up. When you put it on, there's the set screws, there's the cutter. Turn it that way and tighten the screws underneath. The reason for that is because when you use the tool, if you have the screws on the top, they will fill with shavings. Put them underneath and then it won't fill with shavings. So, I would like to show you how this tool works. Okay ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jimmy Clewes. I hope you enjoyed the videos and I would love to see you here at Dictum in one of my classes. Thank you.